Here at Los Dos Molinos, we're not just getting people from Mesa. We are a staple within the valley. We get people as far from Flagstaff, Tucson, all over the state that come in and enjoy our food. And it's just wonderful because we also share what Mesa has, and that's a lot of diversity.
I think that holding true to our traditions and our values has paid off for us. And I love that we're a big part of this community, and we want to give back to our same community that has been so great to us. I think we're just really lucky to have all the people enjoy our food and enjoy our atmosphere.
The one dish that I always tell people to try is the adobada. Carne adobada is pork marinated red chili. It is spicy.
Adobada, anything in a burrito, chimichanga. My favorite is getting a relleno dinner. It's been awesome for me working with my dad, for sure. I just have the most respect for him in the world, and he's taught me so much. He has kept this place exactly how the matriarch intended for everything to be. So the recipes that were his grandparents are the recipes we still use here. I think he evolved a bit, but kept it very true to tradition and very true to the family.
I love working with my daughter. We've actually grown really close, especially during this time, because, when I was in the military, I was off at different wars and stuff like that. And now we're here together, and it's special.
I think to us here, City Limitless means that there are no boundaries. It's about evolution. It's about growth. It's about bettering ourselves like city, bettering ourselves as people. City Limitless means no boundaries.